Welcome to today's session. In this session, we will learn how to calculate electricity bill in a very simple way. First, we will write the information and give a title to our worksheet. Then format the data as a table. Press Ctrl+T to convert normal data range to a table. If your data is in a table, we'll enjoy some extra features to work with your data. Then we'll make autoserial in our data sheet. If you don't know about making autoserial, please check the description box. We've a tutorial on this topic. Now we will enter today's date. If you want to enter today's date with a shortcut, you have to press Ctrl plus semicolon. Then enter the rest of data. Meter no. Consumer name. Address. And the unit of previous month and current month. Now we'll calculate the consuming unit. It's very simple. Just subtract the previous unit from current unit. Then we'll calculate per unit charge based on criteria we've written before. We'll use the lookup formula to find the charge. There are 3 parameters in lookup formula. 1. Lookup value, the consumed unit. 2. Lookup vector, unit list from criteria. 3. Result vector, charge list from criteria. Then we'll get the desired unit charge. Now we'll multiply the consumed unit with unit charge to get the total bill. So, this is the calculation method what we've learned today. We've planned to learn how to get the previous unit automatically from previous month if our sheet contains the data.